What is audit? So here is the definition of audit. Audit is a systematic, independent and a documented process. So it is a systematic process. So you go step by step, you follow certain steps to do an audit. The audit is done by an independent person, the person who is independent of the process being performed. And it is a documented process. So at the end of the audit, you come out with some documents, which could be the audit report. Now, why do we do this audit? We do this audit to obtain objective evidences and evaluate it objectively. So what we want to look in the audit is look at the objective evidences. Rather than opinions, you want to look at the facts, the evidences, the proof, how things are being done, what is the result of that, and so on. And that will help you to determine the extent to which the audit criteria are fulfilled. So there is something called audit criteria, which basically means what you expect this process to do. That is the audit criteria. This is how the process should be done. And the actual situation you can see by looking at objective evidences. So what you do here in audit is you compare two things, the actual situation and the requirements. Requirements are audit criteria and the actual situation is objective evidences. And you see that how do they match. If there is any mismatch between what was required or what was expected and what is actually being done. So you find out those gaps and those are the findings of the audit. So this is audit.